This is the carrot I want to use. I'm grating it now. I use the smaller part of the grater. So this is the one I'm using it. Actually, I saw this carrot oil from a YouTuber's channel named Fantastic Favor. So if you don't get the gist here, you will see it completely in our channel. So I'm going to be dropping a link on my description box so that you go and check it out. I've been doing it and I enjoyed it. This one you are seeing, I was actually my first time doing it. I was watching the video. I took my time. I was watching the video and I was doing it. Carrot oil is very good. I've been using it and it has so wonderful. Yes, it's very good for the body. You use it for so many things. So I shared it into two. I boiled one, then the other one I fried it. So this one you are seeing with me putting into this jar is the one I put in the pot that I boiled. The other one I fried it because I don't want the video to be too long, so I didn't show so many things here. So just bear with me. I know so many people don't like long video, but I'm just trying to show my whiting family and friends that you can do it yourself. It's very good. There are so many things it's used for. So continue the gist on the comment section. Ask your question. Yes, whatever you want to know about carrot oil, so that we'll continue the gist there. That is how we roll. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for the love. Thank you for your encouragement. We are really impressed. So I've been using it and it's very good for me. The one that I fried, I used it to cook, to fry egg that very day. This other one, I'm using it to mix my cream. And I've been enjoying it. So let's continue the gist on the comment section. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for your love. We really appreciate you, all your comments that you are writing for us. You're telling us to move on. You are motivating us. So we are really impressed. Thank you so much. If you've not subscribed, subscribe to our channel. Help us to share if possible. Thank you for the love. Bye. Take care of yourself. Bye.